With the robot cell Lasercube X, you are able to be production ready for the competition of tomorrow. Take advantage of our experience and set new standards in the field of laser-based copper welding, the key technology in the booming market of electromobility. The laser welding cell is transportable by means of forklift and consists of 3 separate areas: the dust-proof separated service cabin, the laser system, and the component feed system. Their operational safety is ensured by laser protective walls and compliance with normative specifications. With the support of state-of-the-art 6-axis industrial robots, you can realize fully automatic any welding process within the generously dimensioned working area. Through laser welding, you have significant advantages over conventional processes. These include higher seam quality, reduced heat input, and shorter welding time. The clamping device fixes your components, and the multi-stage suction device removes any resulting vapors and particles and reliably filters the used air. Directly afterwards, the integrated laser measurement technology carries out the quality control with full automatic processing. This gives you the assurance that every weld meets your high requirements. Via the component feed system, new workpieces can be inserted into the cabin, and the finished workpieces can be ejected at the same time for efficiency. From the outside, you have a view of the laser area via several monitors and can carry out the programming. Our Lasercube X standard can be comprehensively adapted to your requirements. For example, use special laser optics for scanner welding, laser soldering, or laser cutting. We are also happy and able to adapt the component feeding system to your production requirements. On request, we can make your production even more efficient by means of a workpiece transfer system and any 6-axis industrial robot. Even if you want to subsequently adapt your production through change production processes, we can implement this for you. Service is a top priority at Rohmann Automation. With us, you have a contact person with whom you can always rely on, from planning to construction to ongoing on-site service. Request the technical data sheet of the Lasercube X today. Rohmann Automation. If your production goals change, we take care of the implementation. Individually, reliably, and cost-efficiently.